Hi friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the 26th July and today I am talking about the architecture of JVM. So JVM is a Java Virtual Machine is an abstract machine. It is specification that provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platform. I. JVM is a platform dependent. What is JVM? It is a specification working of Java virtual machine. It is specified, but implementation provider is independent to choose the algorithm. Its implementation has been provided by Oracle and other companies. And implementation, it is an implementation is known as a JRE runtime environment, runtime instance. Whenever you Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class, an instance of JVM is created. What it does? The JVM performs following operations. For class loader, loads code, verifies code, execute code, and provides runtime environment. JVM provides a definition for the memory area, class file format, register set, garbage collection heap, fatal error reporting, etc. JVM architecture. Let's understand the internal architecture of JVM. It contains class loader, memory area, execution engine, etc. Class loader. The class loader is a subsystem of JVM which is used to class files. Whenever we run Java program, it is loaded first by the class loader. There are three built-in class loader in Java: bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and application class loader. First one is bootstrap class loader. This is the first class loader, which is the superclass extension class loader. It loads the rt.jar file which contains all the class files of Java standard edition like java.lang package classes, java.net package classes, java.util package classes, java.sql package classes, and java.io package classes. Extension class loader. This is the child class loader of bootstrap and parent class loader of system class loader. It loads the jar files located inside system application class loader. This is the child class loader, is an extension of class loader. It loads the class files from class path. By default, class path is set to current directory. You can change the class path using -cp or minus class path switch. It is also known as application class loader. For example, public class loader. Example, curly public static void main string arguments curly class C is equal to class loader example dot class system dot out dot println bracket of C dot get class loader system dot out dot println bracket string dot class get class loader bracket completed. Output. These are the internal class loader provided by Java. If you want to create your own class loader, you need to extend the class loader class method area. Class method area stored per class structure such as the runtime constant pool, field, and method data, the code of methods. Third one is a heap. It is the runtime data area in which objects are located. Stack. Java stack stores frames. It holds local variable and partial result and plays a part in method invocation and return. Each thread has a private JVM stack created the same time as a thread. A free frame is created each time a method is invoked. A frame is destroyed when the method invocation completes. Program counter register. PC program counter register contains the address of Java virtual machine instruction currently being executed. Native method stack. It contains all the native methods in the application execution engine It contains a virtual processor, interpreter, GIT compiler, read bytecode stream the execute the instruction. GIT compiler, it is used to improve the performance. GIT compiler compiles part of the code that have similar functionality at the same time and hence reduce the amount of time needed for compilation. Java Native Interface, JNI, is a framework which provides an interface to communicate with another application in another language like C, C++, assembly, etc. Thank you.